This is the biggest snowstorm ever, where cars are almost buried alive and one of these things slids and people get stuck on the road down there. Say hello to Canada. This is what Canada is all about. Snow and hockey season. Where people slid and slide all over the road during winter. Let's see this car. Let's see if he skids. Sometimes they all skid. Oh, someone's going down the hill. Oh, see, couldn't take it. We're going back down the hill. Oh, shit. They honestly should have put the heating stuff on. We have a heater going down, but I guess they didn't put it on today. And they skid right back down. This is what Canada is about. Hello, or as I should say, Canada. Look at the snowflakes on my window. And there's snowflakes on here. And there's snowflakes right there. Hey, that guy in the van did not come up. I think he skid too much. But this is it. Someone back there. Oh, here's the thingy back again. Ooh, you see him slide? That's sliding. He slid down. He slid that. Ooh, let's see if he's gonna slide down. Oh, he's going pretty fast down there. But we finally got a snow plower to plow all the snow. Yay! Goodbye, guys.